हुस्न पहाड़ों का, ओ साहिबा हुस्न पहाड़ों का, क्या कहना के 12 महीने यहाँ मौसम जाड़ों का, क्या कहना के 12 महीने यहाँ मौसम जाड़ों का।
Right now, I'm in beautiful Bali, Indonesia, around 8,844 kilometers away from my home state, the place of yoga, the beautiful landscape, and the place of God. Namaskar, my name is Jitendra, and you're watching Rudrabhishekam Yoga by Jitendra. Today, I'm going to be taking you to a journey of Uttarakhand. Your mind is going to be blown away. For that, let's roll it. The culture of Uttarakhand still revolves around its traditional ethics, moral values, the simplicity of nature, and rich mythology. The simply heaven, Uttarakhand. On the foothills of Himalayas, there is an enchanted land named Uttarakhand, which adds 5 stars to the beauty of northern India. Everyone knows how the Devbhoomi of Uttarakhand with its pristine hills is balm to their very souls. Bruised from the hectic pace of urban pressure, little known are some interesting treasure tucked away in its folds. This little state, rich with history and religion, is as ancient as Indian mythology. You will be amazed to hear that we have the second highest peak of India in Uttarakhand, the Nanda Devi. The Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Parks are exceptionally beautiful high-altitude West Himalayan landscape with outstanding biodiversity, one of the most spectacular wilderness areas in the Himalayas. Nanda Devi National Park is dominated by the 7,817 meter peak of Nanda Devi, India's second highest mountain, which is approached through the Rishi Ganga Gorge, one of the deepest in the world. Do you know about the Corbett National Park, India's oldest national park in Uttarakhand? Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in Nainital district of Uttarakhand and was named after Jim Corbett, who played a key role in its establishment. The park has sub-Himalayan belt geographical and ecological characteristics. An ecotourism destination, it contains 488 different species of plants and a diverse variety of fauna. Hindus' two biggest pilgrimage, Kedarnath and Badrinath. The Badrinath temple is situated at an altitude of 3,300 meters, where the temperature is extremely cold. Badrinath temple is mentioned in various sacred texts of Hindus such as Bhagavad Purana, Skanda Purana and Mahabharata. Where the other hand, Kedarnath is one of the most important shrine in Hindu religion. It is located at an altitude of 3,583 meters above the sea level on the banks of river Mandakini, near the Choraburi glacier in Uttarakhand. The beautiful landscape, Mussoorie. Mussoorie, often referred as Queen of Mountains. The beautiful city Mussoorie is situated at a height of 1,880 meters, with green hills and a fresh environment, with a distance of 34 kilometers from the nearest city, Dehradun. The first settler in Mussoorie was Captain Young, an enterprising British military officer who built Mulinagar, the oldest surviving cottage, in 1823. The town gets its name from Mansoor, a herb grown extensively in the Himalayas foothills. For long, Mussoorie was the most exclusive club in India, being the favored holiday destination of British officers, White Sahibs, as well as Rajas and Nawabs. The FRI, Forest Research Institute, and IMA, Indian Military Academy in Uttarakhand. The Forest Research Institute, or FRI, is one amongst the most prestigious heritage sites established in Dehradun. It was established during the colonial times and has been a part of Dehradun's history ever since. FRI has given the town an impeccable reputation in the list of some of the best architectural sites in India. Next to FRI, there is an Indian Military Academy, IMA. Dehradun is the Officer Training Academy of Indian Army. Since its establishment in 1932, it has won many accolades in India and abroad for the quality of cadets it has produced. Indian Military Academy was inaugurated on 10th December 1932 at the end of the first term by Field Marshal Chetwode. The Rishikesh, known for Ganges, yogis and monks. A place in Uttarakhand which is very close to my heart, Rishikesh. Rishikesh is a city in India's northern state of Uttarakhand, in the Himalayas foothills beside the Ganges River. The river is considered holy, and the city is renowned as a center for studying yoga and meditation. Temples and ashrams line the eastern bank around Swargashram, a traffic-free, alcohol-free and vegetarian enclave upstream from Rishikesh town. At the confluence of three rivers, the Triveni Ghat is regarded as a sacred bathing spot for spiritual cleansing. A fire ritual known as Ganga Aarti is performed there nightly, where oil lamps are floated downstream. Upstream, the pedestrian-only iron suspension bridges, Lakshman Jhula and Ram Jhula, join the banks of the river around Swargashram. Due to the length of the video, I couldn't cover many places of Uttarakhand. But don't worry, we'll be back with one more series of Uttarakhand. Namaskar, my name is Jitendra. You are watching Rudrabhishekam Yoga by Jitendra. Please give us your love and support. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, take a really good care of yourself. Namaskar.